Our first animal is an elephant. An elephant trumpets. Our next animal is a lion. A lion roars. Our next animal is a peacock. A peacock calls. How does it speak? It calls. Our next animal is a penguin. It squawks. Next we have a tiger. A tiger growls. How does it speak? It growls. The next we have is a parrot. A parrot squawks. Our next animal is a leopard. A leopard also growls. How does it speak? It growls. Next we have an owl. An owl hoots. How does it speak? It hoots. Next is an eagle. An eagle screeches. The sound of an eagle is known as screech. It screeches. Our next animal is a dog. The sound of a dog is known as bark. It barks. A cat meows. It meows. The sound of a cat is known as meow. Next animal is a donkey. The sound of a donkey is known as bray. A donkey brays. Next is a goat. The sound of goat is known as bleat. It bleats. A goat bleats. The next animal is a horse. A horse mews. The sound of a horse is mew. A horse mews. Polar bear grows. How does it speak? A polar bear Our next animal is a monkey. The sound of monkey is known as chatter. Monkey chatters. Next animal is a fox. A fox barks. Next we have heron. A heron squawks. Next we have a kingfisher. A kingfisher chatters. A cow moves. The sound of a cow is known as moo. That's all for today. Meet you in the next video.